Hi folks, welcome to my Pit Retro Journal. This is a quick clip, 5 minutes or less. I've shown you the graphical user interface on the QL many times. It's called ICE, and I like it because I can use the cursor keys or a joystick. There is a mouse version called Mice. I don't like it as much because it does deactivate the cursor keys. So I've been working on this a little project of mine. So this is a cardboard prototype of what I call a joystick mouse, and I'm going to demo that to you today. All right, so let me hook it to the QL. So this joystick mouse acts like a mouse. So if I go up, down, right, left, I can go to the calculator, double click on it, do some math. Maybe I'll say 8 minus 3 equals 5. I can close it. I can go do the microdrive stuff. MDV 2, 3, 4. Double click on it. It takes a little bit getting used to, but it does work, and it doesn't have the dexterity of an actual mouse, but it closely approximates, and it's pretty cool. I can even try to draw a circle. When the mouse comes back, I'll show you what that looks like. So I can go. Right, and I'm going to run the code generator. But yeah, so this is works on any joystick port. It's very light, so that's why it comes up. I can actually use this on my Spectrum. I have this Downsway adapter that's learnable, but it has an Atari-like joystick port, so I can use it on that. But what I want to show you is on the Amiga. So let me hook it to the Amiga's joystick port and show you how that works. So on the Amiga, before I can use the mouse, I've got it hooked up to the joystick port. This is just an extension cable. I need to run a program called JoyMush. Now there's other ones, but this one is just the one I found. You click that and you give it a speed setting. 8 seems to work well, because right now before that the mouse doesn't work. But as soon as I hook it to that, you'll see that the mouse actually does work now, and I can close stuff with it. I can, if I go back to expansion, open that up. I can try to close the. So I can. This thing does acceleration, which is a little wonky, but. So it does take a little getting used to. Yeah, so I think that there'll be better mouse ones, but again, I can go under here, and I think this will show you how cool this actually is. So if I go open that up, I can actually move it. Oops, I didn't move it. Yeah, here it is. So and it can actually go at an angle. Just like it. So there are times, again, and I can also size it. So that's actually really cool that it starts behaving like a mouse. This is really light, and it's getting. I'll show you what the inside looks like so you can understand why this is a little bit wonky. So this has a cover that can come off, and on the inside, what you have is basically 2 wheels that just make contact, up, down, left, right. And then there's also a button. Yeah, and so that emulates, a joystick movement. What I want to do next with this is create a 3D model and use my Ender 3 Neo Max to print it out in PLA. And hopefully the specs will be a little tighter and it'll work a little better. So that's what I got planned next. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Again, the lid comes right back on and gives it some structure. So it's kind of cool that. And I did it in cardboard because it was easier to do than in trying to design a STL, a 3D model in STL and then print it out right away. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.